everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today's video we are going to be doing a what I eat in 24 hours, third trimester edition. I got the baby bump here. When I filmed this video, I was 31 weeks pregnant, now I'm 32. And I wanted to say that the day that I filmed this was what I consider to be like a really good eating day. And when I say that, I mean like not ordering takeout. Normally we don't cook all 3 meals in a single day, but we had a really good day the day that I filmed this, and I felt like I wanted to put that little disclaimer because believe me, I love bad food. And this was just like a really good / healthy day of eating. So all the recipes of the food that we made are in this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's start off with breakfast. I like to spray all my veggies with this veggie wash and then wash them just to get extra dirt off. It smells really good too. So while I'm prepping the bok choy, we got help in the kitchen.
Hey.
Hubby Red. He's already prepped and cut. We have some tomatoes, or what is that?
This is chicken sausage with spinach and feta.
And then we got some tomatoes, some, what is that?
Black olives and sun-dried tomatoes.
Once the sausage is cooked a little, we're adding in the rest of the ingredients and also adding in some garlic. I have all of my bok choy chopped, and now I'm just gonna season it directly into the air fryer. I got some avocado oil, and we're seasoning it with lemon herb with thyme, number 10, fajita number 9 seasoning. Give it a little toss. Okay, in the air fryer.
This is about ready. So this is 3 eggs and some
Egg whites.
egg whites, yeah.
Coffee for the honey. And adding in a little bit of basil. And topping it off with a little bit of mozzarella cheese. I've already started drinking my water for the day, so this is how far I am. But I also like to have tea. Normally I'll have English tea, but since I have leftover coffee from yesterday, and I'm gonna have that later today, I'm doing tea. We're doing the raspberry leaf. And just like that, breakfast is served. Half of a frittata and some bok choy. Thank you, baby.
Thank you, baby.
This is one of my favorite breakfasts. Breakfasts?
Breakfast dishes.
Yeah. So normally I'll drink my BioK along with taking my prenatals around breakfast time. It's literally like a quick little shot. Keeps a healthy gut. Cheers. And I actually really like the taste of these gummies. I like to eat them when I don't have anything else to eat, because I like the taste to be in my mouth. Okay, it is now 12:32 current time, and we've already fed Amaya her lunch. It's time for our lunch. Hubby, my personal chef, what is on the menu?
We're having chicken tacos.
Chicken tacos!
Tacos.
These tortillas are really good. We're using these cauliflower sandwich thins.
Okay, I'm popping.
There you go. These are the sandwich thins that we use. You cook the chicken,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna prep all the other veggies and stuff. For veggies, we're gonna be using these prepackaged roasted broccoli. Just prepping directly in the air fryer. Broccoli is prepped. Gonna prep the avocado. All right, while I'm doing that, hubby's prepping the chicken. You're seasoning it with a tequila, lime, and
the
fajita seasoning number 9. Okay, so the food is cooking. We're just waiting right now. So on our downtime, I'm just gonna prep some compote that we put in our yogurt. So I'm probably gonna use this for a snack later because I do wanna get some yogurt in today. I'm only gonna make half of a serving because we are going away on our baby moon. So feel free to use a full cup for this recipe if you want to make it yourself. I'm just going to measure out everything to half a cup. I'm going to do a full cup of water in a saucepan, half a cup of dried cranberries, half a cup of raisins, half a cup of apricots, and then half a cup of prunes, but I don't think that's, a little bit now. Hey. And then this is the leftover of my prunes, but it's half a cup. I can't find my teaspoons, so normally we would use 1/8 of a teaspoon. I'm just gonna use a pinch for all of the spices. Ground cardamom, ground cloves, cinnamon, and ground fennel. Mix all that up, and then we're going to bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, prepping the taco. We got some avocado laid down. Chicken is going on top of that.
And then we put some mango pineapple salsa.
Oh, mango pineapple salsa. Okay, it's been about 17-ish minutes and I turned the heat off for the compote and just gonna let the rest of the water evaporate while it cools. All right, so here is our tacos. We're doing 3 tacos. For a drink, I am drinking a strawberry lemon prebiotic. This is Poppy. These are really good. The watermelon one is really good. And then hubby's drinking the ginger lime one. Okay, so it's almost 7:30. We have a huge time gap because I was doing some work and then we had to take Amaya to training. We're gonna start making dinner, and this is a little bit of a late dinner since we were out and about today, but I didn't even get to eat my compote, and I wanted to show you guys the yogurt that I normally eat with the compote just because I normally have this in the mornings, and it's really, really good for digestion. So let me get my favorite yogurts and show you. All right, so I guess I didn't have many selections. We only have one type of yogurt that I like, and it's an almond yogurt. It is silk, and it comes in a bunch of different flavors, but I personally just like the vanilla flavor because you're adding the compote in on top of this, and that adds flavor as well. So I just wanted to share this because I showed you guys the recipe, and this is just like something that I'll normally snack on if I'm able to have a snack. But today I wasn't able to have one because we were out. So let's get started on dinner. All right, so we're using these kiwi potatoes. Hubby is preparing the meat. And he just put some brown sugar. It looks like a tablespoon of brown sugar and a tablespoon of
Fish sauce. And then 1 tablespoon of this chili paste. Stuff is bomb.
Sambal. Oh.
So good.
Yum.
It calls for 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, but that's a lot. So I just do 1. And the final thing is 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice.
On the potatoes, I am using avocado oil and just gonna eyeball that. A teaspoon of tequila lime number 14, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of fajita seasoning number 9. And we're gonna bake this at 400 for 12 minutes. On to the broccolini. Putting the broccolini directly into the air fryer. Spraying it with some avocado oil and then seasoning it. fajita season number 9 and lemon herb with thyme. All right, we got some onions chopped and prepped. Heating up the pan, just put some oil on it, avocado oil, and time to cook the meat. Okay, now we're adding in some bell peppers. These are just frozen bell peppers. And we're adding onions. And some chopped garlic. Look, I'm cooking. So we ended up putting these in a little longer because we like them crispy. Our meat is done. Our veggies are done. Time to plate. All right, so dinner is served. We have our Thai basil beef. We topped it off with some fresh basil. Our broccolini, extra crispy because we forgot to mix it, and some roasted potatoes. Okay.
All right, let's see. What did we do?
The potatoes are good. My favorite.
Beef is so good.
My favorite. So good. Did you add salt? No?
No, you don't need to
Good.
since
Yeah, it has.
you're already adding like soy sauce and all that stuff. It has salt already. Chili paste.
When we do dinner, we normally sit here and watch something on the TV, on the telly. Surprisingly, I finished all of my water and I'm drinking more coconut water with ice. Cheers. Very impressed. Both of us cleaned the plate.
We were hungry.
Good job, babe.
Good job.